Right, we are coming to create logic applications. Now let's declare three numbers here. So int a, b, then c. Let's say c for the meantime. Okay, then let's take input from a user. Please do as I do. Please okay, you say welcome to the cinema. Right, so this one is just what I'm doing is just the equal to I want to style it small. That's why I'm doing that. Okay, E and D L. I didn't bring L here. Okay, welcome to the cinema. Then I'll ask the person, see out. Enter 1 to proceed, or 2 to terminate. And I'll take in. So I'm picking A for this one. Okay, now here is where the logic works. Then I'll come, then say if this is where the both assignment is going to work. If the number the person has entered, that's A, is equal to, we are comparing A to 1, equal to 1. Then we are telling our program, you come and bring your curly bracket. We are telling our program to tell the person this. See out, enter. Please hold on. Okay, so let's continue. So we will actually enter the number of so if the person enters 1, we are trying to tell the person that the person should continue. So as when you are purchasing your MTN credits or something, press 1 to continue, press 2 to. So when the person enters 1, that's the A, we are storing it in A. So we will tell the person, see out, enter the number of tickets you want. ENDO. Okay, then the person enters the number of tickets. We are going to take it, so we are assigning B for it. We are assigning B for it. We will proceed, then maybe we want to make let me say small calculation. So you say the amount you are to pay is, so let's bring C here. So C is equal to B multiplied by, that's the amount the person is going, the number of tickets the person wants, then multiply by one ticket is, let me say, 70 cedis. one ticket is 70 cedis. Okay, now let's move on. So we do this, it's multiplied, and you see out, you see your total cost of the tickets is, can do this. Oh, let me bring this one here rather. We can do this is C. Okay, now we can also say, after doing this, we can also say thank you for your purchase. Then we'll actually put this in the curly brackets. If you are lost, you let me know. Okay, we are continuing. Now, what if the person presses 2? When the person presses 2, we are going to go that, in fact, else, or we can say else if that means when the person presses 2, else if the person presses 2. So let assign A. If A is equal to 2, then we are going to tell the person see out, thank you for your time. If or no, let's say you have successfully terminated, you have successfully terminated your purchase. Okay, else what if the person don't actually enter 1 or 2 but enters any other number? So you bring an else, see out for the person, see out, next time read instructions carefully. Oops. Okay, I think I forgot something here. Right, please, up to here who don't understand, I'm going to go over. We are building a system, a ticketing cinema ticketing system, whereby when the person goes, the person press enter, the system will proceed for the person to enter the number of tickets he or she wants to buy. If the person enters the number of tickets, automatically our system will generate the cost for the person to pay. It's the same system when you go to KFC, people they use. So you go there, maybe you say you want streetwise 2, streetwise 3, you tell them, they generate a ticket. This is how the system is working. That's what we are building there. So what if the person presses 2? The person presses 2 means the person don't want it again, don't want to actually continue again. Our program will tell the person you have successfully terminated your purchase. What if the person press any other number apart from 1 and 2? Here meaning the person will be told, oops, next time read instructions carefully. And then bring the L here. Okay, I hope everyone has this code in his or her editor. If you don't see it, or if you can't see it, tell me. Or if you don't have, we are all going to run together. We are all going to run it together. Okay, now let's run our code. Let me bring this thing up so that everyone can see. Okay, now it's saying, welcome to the cinema. Enter 1 to proceed or 2 to terminate. So I want to proceed. I'm pressing 1. I press enter. It says enter the number of tickets you want. Maybe myself and my family, we want 5. Then it's saying your total cost of the ticket is 350. Then it brings the thank you for your purchase. Then the program has terminated. Let's run our program again and go for 2. Welcome to the cinema. Enter 1 or 2 to terminate. 1 to proceed or 2 to terminate. I want to terminate, so I press 2. I press enter. It says you have successfully terminated your purchase. Okay. What if I press any other number? So welcome to the cinema. Enter 1 to proceed or 2 to terminate. Then I enter 3. I want to test the system. Then I press enter. It says, oops. Next time, read instructions carefully. Who didn't get this? Anyone facing problem with this? Write this question down. You are going to do it. Okay. Build a more ticket issuing system. Build a more ticketing issuing system. Yes, Gertrude. Gertrude, I'm listening.
I'm not talking, sorry.
Oh, okay. Now write this question down. You are going to build this for your own self, like practice it and build. You are going to use the same logic. Build, let me say your mom is owning a supermarket or a mall, and you want to actually issue receipts for the person. Build, in fact, a ticketing system that will say welcome to the cinema, whereby the person will get access. So the person will just come to the machine. The machine will say welcome to the cinema. Enter 1 to proceed or 2 to terminate. Then the person will enter, maybe your mother is selling, okay, so this is it. The person is going, you are going to write it down so that you don't get confused. I might not be around to be responding to your question, so write it very carefully. Now, build a software for your mother's supermarket or shop, whereby it has this interface. It says welcome to the cinema or welcome to your mother's any name. Okay, give the person a chance to either proceed or terminate the service. When the person proceeds, in fact, take the inputs. So let the person enter 5 inputs. So say that the person actually took 4 of them, 4 things. He took 4 things. So let the person enters their prices. So enter price 1. Then the person enter price 2. Person enter price 3. Enter price 4. Enter price 5. So let me say 5 things. And you know what to do, where to assign each of them to. Then after that, output the amount, the total amount of the purchase to the person and say thank you, come back again next time. If the person terminates it from the beginning, say thank you, come back again when you need us. Anyone who didn't get this question? Anyone who didn't get it? Okay, this is the question. Build a software for your mother's supermarket or a mall you know. Now, when a person, so is going to be a machine, the person after the person's finished purchasing, the person will automatically go to the machine. Then the machine will say welcome to this cinema or this mall. Give the person option. So say enter 1 to proceed or 2 to terminate. If the person enters 1, now allow the person to input first price tag and take it, second price tag, take it, fourth, third, take it, fourth, take it, fifth, take it. After that, make your program generate the total amount of that purchase to the person. So the person will see the total amount there, and the person makes payment. You might tell the person, thank you for doing business with us, come back again. And if the person enters 2 from the beginning, meaning the person terminated it, so you can see you've successfully terminated your service with us. Who didn't get any this question? Very perfect. Everyone got it. Please try your hand on it. Don't go and rest on it, because the apps we will be building from here, we are going to use these simple logics. After here, we are going to build a questionnaire that's in the form of an app. We will use this same logic. Please go and try your hand on it. If you get confused, or if you get a mistake somewhere, you PM me either on WhatsApp or the Slack platform. By Saturday evening, I might settle down. Yes, so I can reply you guys with any problem you faced. Please try your hand on it. Don't go and sleep on it. It's just fun. Go and try your hand on it. You can also build more, not this alone. You can also build some. Try your hands on it. Any question?
Say,
Yes, please.
is this like how people build like malware and those virus and things?
Um, the malware and the virus, they are different programming language. We use script programming languages. Script is a very difficult programming language to learn this stage, but you can also learn it. That one is a very advanced form. Not advanced, like it's not let me say it's the same level with C++, but that one is a bit technical in scripts writing. Why are you asking such question? Are you having any wicked plan? You want to write a malware to infect someone's computer, right?
Oh nah. I was just checking so that like when I do it on the computer, like maybe if I make a mistake, it won't affect my distance.
Oh, no. Okay. This is a very
Yeah.
programming language. And yes, after this, the next time we will meet, we will learn how to build our apps into a real app, whereby you don't have to come to a text editor. You double click it and you start using it. So go and practice. The next time you come building a new thing, we will start with that. Okay. Any question, please? Right. If no one has any question, thank you very much for joining this class. Please do well and go and build this for your mom, or for any more you want to. Try your hands on it, and not even this alone. You can build this and build multiple things. You can just be changing things at your own pace. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Christopher.
yeah, please. I wasn't able to join from the beginning because I was thinking the link will be posted in not on Slack, but then I missed it. So please, I ask that maybe the recording should be dropped earlier so that
Okay.
we can go through before the next class.
Yes. So the recording, you get it before I leave. So you get it this evening, right? You get it right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.